everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I want to show you guys how to draw a gingerbread house. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video with me today. Now, to start off with our gingerbread house, we're going to begin with the roof. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and then it's going to come back down like an upside down V. You want to make a line that's going to go up. It's not going to be pointy, it's going to be rounded, and then it's going to come back down like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to make some wavy lines that are going to go all the way up to the top. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, and then curve them around. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw two lines that come down. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes straight across to connect them. Right in the middle here, I want to put a door. So I'm just going to draw a little line. It's going to go up. It's going to curve around and come back down. And I'm going to add another little line right around this. Same shape. I'm going to add a couple little bumps right along the edge here for some gumdrops. So we're going to put two on each side, two little bumps. Then right here I'm going to add a nice big circle shape for a piece of candy. I'm going to put a small dot in the middle, and I'm going to add some curved lines. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 curved lines. You want 6 of them so that way you have an even pattern. You have 3 colored and 3 that won't be colored. Now on the sides here, I want to add some windows. All I'm going to do is make a little square shape on this side. And I'm also going to put a square shape on this side as well. Now inside of here, I'm just going to add 4 more little square shapes, leaving space in between them. So we're just going to put 4 small square shapes in here, so it looks like we have the little window panes. Next, I'm going to add a few circles going right across the top here. And then right here on the door, I want to add another little circle with a little dot, and I'm going to put 6 little lines in here again. And I'll add a little circle for a handle. Now on the edge here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to curve down, and I'll do the same thing here. It's just going to curve down. I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve around. It's going to come up and back down and over. Same thing here. I'm going to curl around. I'm going to go up, down, and then just curl back. Then I'm going to add some of these nice little diagonal lines here for our candy cane, and then I'll do the same thing over here, just some of these nice little diagonal lines for our candy cane. Now all along here I want to add some little gumdrops on the roof, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to add some little bumps that go all the way along the top here, and once I get to the top I'm going to come back down and do the same thing on this side. So we're just going to add all these little bumps that just go up and down. Right here I'm going to add a little line that goes up, and then one that starts here, it's going to go up a little taller. And then just a bumpy line across. We're going to go up, over, and then down for the top of the chimney. And then right here, I'm just going to add some little spirally smoke coming out of there. Now, over here, what I want to do is I'm going to just add a little bit of like a wavy line that's just going to come over to here. And I'm just going to make it a little wavy on this side too. Then I'm going to add some little oval shapes here for like a small little path. Then back here, I'm going to add 2 little lines going up and 2 little lines going up and down here. I'm going to add a little circle on the end of each one. And I'm going to draw a little spiral line inside each one for some suckers. And there you go, here is your drawing of a little cartoon gingerbread house. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.